Alright, hello. I am not quite sure if this will work out. I've got my earbuds in, but I don't know how good they are at removing the sound. I've got a rear right ball bearing that's making my car sound a bit more aggressive than it is. It isn't really. But yeah, I hope that I can fix the sound at some point before sharing this video. Anyway, I wanted to share some information about this channel. I have been smoking pipes for must be about half a year. I used to smoke cigarettes maybe 10-15 years ago, and then I've picked up pipe smoking half a year ago. I'm not proud of it, but I really enjoy it, and I feel it's maybe not physically healthy for me, but it's maybe mentally healthy at this point at least. The unhealthy part is that I have been buying a lot of estate pipes. I've been keeping an eye on local marketplaces and online sales forums, and I have had troubles controlling myself. So I've got, at this point, I think I've got about 120 pipes that I don't really know what they're worth. I know what I've paid for them, but they're probably worth less. But some of them I know are worth more. So what I will be going through in my channel mainly will be trying to restore these pipes. As a rookie, I haven't restored pipes before. I am no expert in woodworking, so I think this will be a learning curve for me. Expect me to ruin quite a lot of pipes. This is why I go through the whole pipe collection to figure out which pipes are worth learning on before I move on to the more expensive pipes. Because I'm sure I will maybe not make them worse, but I'm sure that I will be able to repair them better in the future than I am now. Yeah, so a bit of information about me. I am I think I turned 47 this year. I'm from 78. You do the maths. I live with my girlfriend, who could have been my wife. We've been together for maybe almost 20 years. We don't have any kids. We have 2 dogs, and one of my other passions are, I've got many interests and passions. Some of them last longer than others, but for now I am into pipe smoking and fancy goldfish. I used to spend a lot of time gaming, but I haven't done that lately. I just don't feel like it right now. But yeah, I usually pick up interest, drop them again, but pipe smoking has stuck. Fancy goldfish too. My goldfish, I have 5 tanks. One of them is 700 liters. It's about 190 gallons. And the 4 other tanks are 250 liters. I'm not quite sure how many gallons that is, but yeah, it's a lot of water. Yeah, what else? Actually, right now I'm on my way to the nearest city to pick up some goldfish fry. A friend of mine has hatched some eggs, but he doesn't have the time to grow them. So he offered me to take over. So that's what I'm doing now. I live in Denmark. I grew up in Greece, moved to Denmark when I was 17, I believe. and have been here ever since. I work with people with special needs. It's pretty new for me. I've been doing it for it's maybe 8 years, but recently moved over to more complicated people. And hopefully in a year I will start a degree in education in it. So yeah, that's the work situation right now. I have been in retail for many years, but yeah, that's not really something for me anymore, at least. What else? Oh yeah, Denmark is an interesting, because before I started smoking pipes, I never realized that Denmark is so famous within the pipe world. So I was quite thrilled to find that out. And it's interestingly, you can find a lot of used Danish pipes in Denmark. I mean, it makes sense, but who would have known? A lot of them are in pretty bad state because they haven't been collectibles as they are worldwide. They have been used by people for many, many years. So many of them are in quite a bad state. But yeah, I managed to get hold of quite a lot of Danish pipes, both Stanwell, Griswold, Geo Jensen, Nording, and so on. I also have a fair bit of Polish pipes because of vintage. Vintage is usually for, I don't know, it's most popular here for clothes, but some people also sell pipes. I think they don't allow it, but somehow you can. I can't. I tried to sell pipes on it and I got blocked. But I have bought a lot of pipes there, and it's like they group countries somehow. So in my version of vintage from Denmark, I can buy and sell from Denmark, of course, but also from I think it's Sweden and Norway, Finland, and Poland. So yeah, Poland has been a good place to buy estate pipes from. They have a manufacturer called Mr. Brock, and I bought quite a lot of pipes from there. Yeah, so that's about what's going on here these days. I've started making videos already where I go through my pipes. But besides figuring out what pipes I have, I also figure out how to record videos better, how to adjust the sound. I really hope the sound in this turns out good, because yeah, I hope you can hear me. So what else? I think that's about it for now. I don't have much more to say, but I'm excited to join the community. Oh yeah, community. I am not on many of the social networks. So I don't have Facebook, I don't have Reddit, at least not anymore. I'm not on Instagram. I'm on YouTube, and I also use the forums. At the moment, I have accounts on a few of them. Brothers of Briar, Pipe Smokers Den, and Pipes Magazine. I'll put the links in the description, so you can join there. I am also on Lemmy, but there's no pipe smoker community there. And I am also on PeerTube. Yeah, my videos go in PeerTube too, where you won't see any advertisement. I'll put a link there to that in the description too. But yeah, it's a bit lonely, you know, not having Facebook, not having Reddit. That's where everybody is. I enjoy the old-fashioned forums, but they're very localized to the US. Sorry, guys. And being in Europe, and especially in Denmark, we have some limitations. We can't really buy tobaccos. We can't really sell them. It's quite limited. Also, although the ride is bumpy here. Wow. Also, in regards to restoration, some of the materials that you guys recommend, or some of the popular materials that you can get in the States, are simply not available here. So we have to find alternatives. Yeah, so that makes it a bit harder to restore pipes, but I'm sure I'll manage. It's not a biggie. There must be good alternatives. It's just figuring out what they're called. Oh, it should be smoky pipe. I guess not. I forgot my lighter. Right, on my way back, I'll get hold of lighter or matches or something. Really, I don't have anything? Nope, there's nothing. Alright, I'll do a new video on my way back where we will be discussing something else. I don't know. I'll come up with an idea. Maybe I will replay this video or re-record this video. Yeah? Good. See you then.